You guys have a significant other. Good morning, by the way. You guys have a significant other that waits to tell you that the check engine light is on, or that a low tire light or something is on, or low oil, whatever. Yeah, tell me about it. Let's go out here and check this thing out. I don't know what it is with this truck, but I can never keep air in these freaking tires. We've treated the rim, ground the rim down on these older Sierras and F-150s, constantly going low all the time. So the nice people at JomGand sent me this awesome, it's big, don't get me wrong, it's a 3,750 amp, 150 psi jump starter box. It's got a light on it, it has a air compressor on it, and it has multiple power accessory outlets where you can charge like Type-C stuff. You can hook different USB. It's just different options here to power something up. Opening the case, you'll find underneath what I'm after is I am after this here. Let me get this hooked up. On the back side of the jump box, you'll find that there's a latch that you can actually, or a little hook that you can actually hang this from, and then you can screw your tire gauge or your tire chuck lead right into the back of it here. It's got a nice, it's pretty comfortable fitting here. It doesn't really cut into your hand. Now, you can take this thing, and if you needed to, it's dark outside. Look at that. Lights up everywhere you need it to light up. Check front left tire pressure. Well, let's see what we got going on here. We're going to set our tire pressure to 35. And I'm going to take our lead here. Take the cap off. It's so bright, it's facing the wrong direction, and it's still shining light on the area where we need to be working. It's pretty bright. Now, hook this on, and it gives us a live readout of 18 psi. So now I held the pump button and it turned on. I guess you got to turn the pump off yourself, but it is what it is. It worked out. Well, that takes some effort to come off. Normally the pumps, they just shut off on their own, but this one, it just stayed on. Let's go to the back, and it says left rear as well. So I'll go back here. Got it set on 35. It is cold this morning. 40 degrees this morning. Where are we at? 29 psi in the rear. Turn the pump on. Well, this one's done. I moved it up to 37 because I knew I was going to lose some when I went to pull it off. I like how you got the different attachments for like the beach balls and the basketballs and USB port Type-C charger in here, and then you got your cigarette lighter charger. You could use this thing to keep the vehicle memory and stuff like that whenever you are trying to change the battery and stuff as well. You could just hook the cigarette lighter device into it and plug it straight into or maybe it'll charge, and vice versa. I don't know. Maybe. Actually, you know what? That doesn't work that way. It takes power. It doesn't supply power like that, because it will charge the device using the cigarette lighter, which is a good thing because you want to have different options. Did they even call it a cigarette lighter anymore? But anyway, nice box, nice big design, lasts a long time. I've had this for over a month now, and I haven't charged it one single time. It still has like 66% battery life, and it hasn't dropped below. So I can honestly say I feel like it's a pretty decent product, and it would help a lot of people that are kind of like chronically in the spot all the time where they don't have money and stuff to go get like a new set of rims or something, like in the position I'm in right now. I'm not going to replace these rims on this thing. Well, I thought about it, but right now try to figure out why the damn thing's leaking. But in the meantime, this little thing saves my butt, and that's why it stays in this truck. So if you guys want to check it out, 3750 amps, I will put a link down low for you. Check it out. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed.